Assalamu alaikum. This is Amadur Rahman, and in some previous classes, you all know that we started chapter number 2, Pioneers of Computer, and in those classes, we came to know about some pioneers like Blaise Pascal and Gottfried Leibniz, and their inventions and contribution to the computing techniques. And in this class I will tell you about some more pioneers. The first pioneer of today's class is Charles Babbage. You all know that who is he, and Charles Babbage, who is called the father of computer. Actually, he was an English mathematician and inventor who is credited with having conceived the first automatic digital computer. He was first person who made the small calculator. Then in 1823 he obtained government support for the design of a projected machine called the difference engine. With a 20 decimal capacity, then in 1834 he developed the analytical engine. Analytical engine, the forerunner of the modern digital computer. Analytical engine could perform arithmetical operations also, but on the basis of the punch cards, instructions and orders. So this is the contribution of Charles Babbage. क्योंकि सारे कंप्यूटर्स जो हैं वो इन्हीं के आइडिया के बाद ऑब्जर्व किए गए, ऑब्जर्वेशन में गए और इस चीज़ को ऑब्जर्व किया कि इस तरह की कोई मशीन बन सकती है. सो जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ हिज प्लान्स एंड आइडियाज ऑल द मॉडर्न कंप्यूटर्स are called the invention of Charles Babbage, and he is called the father of the computer. And the second pioneers of today's class is Herman Hollerith. Herman Hollerith, the American inventor of a tabulating machine. He invented tabulating machine that was actually used to store and process data. And the tabulating machine was an important precursor of the electronic computer. In 1890, he invented machines to record statistics by electrically reading and sorting punch cards that had been numerically encoded by perfection positions. So this is the invention of Herman Hollerith in today's modern computer era. And what you have to do in the third week of December, the assignment is you have to complete the word viz exercise of page number 15, and you have to complete the exercise explore with viz and correct answers of page number 16 and 17 also. And for your guide, I have mentioned all the answers in the attached PDF. And you have to, these exercises should be done in your book, and you have to complete question number 3 and question number 4. Why is Babbage called the father of the modern computer, and why is Herman Hollerith considered a pioneer of computers? These questions are supposed to be done in your notebook. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.